Well, welcome to the deck of our 3025. We're down here on the Willamette River today, so we got people coho fishing in our background and water skiing. Beautiful day out here in the Northwest. And let me give you a little introduction to the deck of the 3025 here. Great space. You can easily fish numerous people on the back of this deck. Fish box both in the back and in the floor. You got your access to all your batteries and your systems right here at the back. You have a walk-in drawer on the side and in the back, so easy to load and unload. And of course, this one is well appointed here with a crab davit or shrimp pot puller. You've got your Scotty downriggers. We've outfitted this one with all the Berwin mounts for the Berwin rod holders and attachments. And of course, the control center here for your kicker motor. This boat is equipped with a pair of 250 Mercuries. Plenty of power, really handles the load nicely, and Mercury's new 25 horse Pro Kicker. Hey, welcome to the interior of our KingFisher 3025. You got a convertible dinette, so it will sleep people there. We've got a nice berth on this, and I'm 6'5", and I fit comfortably underneath there. There's a ton of storage both in the bow and in the center floor, all in the cabinetry. Full-size head with shower in this one. And of course, we got our full helm here with our DTS Mercury controls, our Garmin autopilot on the side, and our Garmin GPS map here in the center. So got a great information center and all the tools to get out there at your fingertips.